Christmas is my favorite holiday of the year. On Christmas Eve, my family decorates our Christmas tree together. We hang colorful ornaments and shiny tinsel on every branch. At the top of the tree, we place a beautiful golden star. My little brother loves to hang his stocking by the fireplace. He hopes Santa Claus will come down the chimney with presents. Santa lives at the North Pole with his reindeer and many elves. The elves help Santa wrap gifts in colorful wrapping paper and ribbons. On Christmas night, Santa travels in his sleigh across the sky. Outside our house, we hang a green wreath with red holly on the door. My mother puts mistletoe in the doorway for good luck. We decorate the windows with colorful holiday lights that shine at night. In the kitchen, my grandmother bakes delicious gingerbread cookies. She also makes sweet candy canes with red and white stripes. When it snows, my friends and I build a big snowman in the yard. We have fun throwing snowballs at each other. Each snowflake that falls is unique and beautiful. On Christmas Day, we open our gifts under the tree. We listen to Christmas carols on the radio while opening presents. I hear the sound of bells ringing from the church nearby. Some families display a nativity scene to remember the meaning of Christmas. Christmas is a time for family, love, and happiness. On Christmas Eve, my family. Our Christmas tree together. A. Decorate. B. Decorates. C. Decorating. In the sentence, each snowflake that falls is unique and beautiful. What does unique mean? A. Very cold and white. B. Small and round. C. Special and different from others.